Hello everyone. Once you enter the TeachGyan.com website, you will get a pop-up of login and sign up. There are two options where you should do the sign up first, and in the sign up you will have all the basic things to be filled, that is email, first name, last name, password and confirm the password. All these basic things are mandatory to create an account in the teachcan.com. Once it is done, just click on the accept button and you can proceed for the sign up. Now once the sign up is done, you will be redirected to the next page, but before that I can suggest you that once again when you open it, you will find a login page. Once again you can log in to your account, that is you can put your email first, and after that you can proceed ahead for the password. So I will just enter my email here. So I will put my email address first, then my password. Here you have the option for email, so I will enter the email address. Once the password has been done, then you can go ahead with sign in option, and you have forget password also. Once if you forget the password, you can proceed with forget password. You will get a reset link also for your email. Once the sign in is done, you will find this interface of teachgan.com where you find home and pricing, and you will find about and contact tools, and you can see you will get your account also. There you find my account with my name and even the logout option also. My account page that I will show you afterwards. Let's go ahead with the demo. Now, being a teacher, you know how much time it will take to create a lesson plan. So let's go ahead with the standard lesson plan generator. So here in this lesson plan generator, we will be generating a small lesson plan, but make sure that you go ahead with subscription because this is a demo lesson plan. So here I entered the name, teacher name and the date, and next we will be going ahead with the topic, subject. Now subject, here we have English, and I'll choose the class 10 standard, and the topic I will put a letter to God. So this is the topic I'll be using today, and for the class for one period I'll take 45 minutes. And the next one, that is CBSE. You have ICSE, CBSE, so many curriculum, and here I'll be taking a different style of the lesson plans: activity based, discussion based, project based. You have so many different types of lesson plans where I'll be generating the normal activity based lesson plan. You can find all the details are there in this lesson plan, where you will find the name of the lesson and even the details of the teacher, and with that you will find this is completely the CBSE curriculum lesson plan, where you find it is aligned with CBSE syllabus, and you will find the first learning objective, then all the other details which are necessary for the lesson plan. Now the full lesson plan, if you want, you should be going ahead with the subscribe for more. Now once you click subscribe for more, you will find a page of price. Now in this price page, you can see the basic price page, that is per month 199 rupees. You will find notes and summaries, worksheets and question papers, and these question papers and worksheets and everything you will get for just 199 rupees per month. But in this lesson plans are not included, and even the PPTs are not included, because this is just a basic plan and you will get a email support. Now my recommendation is for 499 per month, where you find all the things like notes and summaries, worksheet, question papers, lesson plans, PPTs, everything, and you will get a support, that is a priority email support you will get from the company. Now here once you enter the pro plan, you will have all the tools which are mentioned here. Now this is the premium plan. It is for the institutions, where the schools, if they want to generate more lesson plans and more things, if they want the priority check-in, they can go ahead with premium. Now I'm clicking for the pro plan, and you can see pro plan. You will find all the details here in the next tab, what is pro plan and what these tools are inside, and how you can generate the lesson plans, summaries, worksheets and everything, including PPTs also. Now These are the details what you can find here in the pro plan. Now once pro plan is done, and there are some other plans also down, you can see. Now let's go for the add to cart. Once add to cart is a cart is done, you can go ahead with view cart. Now once in your cart you just entered, add to cart. Now once your cart, you can see the cart is, there are two quantities. I have made one quantity, you can update it to one quantity, and after that you can say proceed to checkout. Now once you are done with the proceed to checkout, you will find the options over there where you can go ahead with the all the details of yours, like first name, last name, and which country you belong to, street address, town, city and state, pin code, phone number. All these details you can just enter, and you can hit the next button, that is the order now, or place the order. Or after doing this, you will find the next tab, but this is mandatory to do. Before this you will not get the next tab, so complete all the columns properly. Once you have done with that, you will be redirected to the payment page, and in this payment page you will find all the different payment methods like phone pay, google pay, and all the different payment methods. You will have cards, net banking, wallet, whatever you want you can use. And this is a secure payment method, what as a company they have. Next you can go ahead with account, where once it is done you will find this tab where you can go ahead with my account. And in the mobile tab also you will get this in the upper heading also, and even in the footer also you will get this. So once you open my account, you will find dashboard, orders and my membership. In orders, you can, if you click that, you will get what orders you have done. And in the my membership button, if you go, that is the third button, if you click that, you will find your membership which you have done. I'll just click on order. You can see the orders, two orders are there, one is cancelled, one is already processed, and next one is my membership. Open my membership and you will find this view button, where what you have purchased you will get that for 1 month, and in that you will find lesson plans, ppts, everything. Once you say view, then you will have the next tools page. In that tools page you will get all the tools like lesson plans, notes, ppt, question paper and worksheets. Now we will generate a simple question paper. Now lesson plan we have seen already, so I will be interested to see the question paper now. Now the question paper generator is very special for me, because you can see we have different question papers which can be generated, where I'll just go with the simple data here, that is I'll just put the teacher name and the date, on which date exam is there, and after that I'll go for subject. So I'll just go ahead with the subject social science. So why it is very important to purchase, because once you can see, it's very much difficult for people like us to find out the question papers. To make question papers it will take a lot of time. So I'll put the chapter topic, that is French Revolution and class 9, and this is periodic test. So see if you can see this feature, where if I put periodic test, I'll get 40 marks. And see in that tab, and if I put midterm I'll get 80 marks. So this is very interesting, and if I can get sample papers, practice papers, everything in this. So the next thing what I'll do, I'll go for periodic test for 40 marks, and the timing I will choose, that is of 60 minutes, and of course the curriculum is cbsc. And what, and you will get different kind of options also, and I'll just tick these things: long answers, short answers, multiple choice, case study based answers and questions, and even source based questions. So let me see how will I get the question paper. Now see, making a question paper is a very difficult task, and the process for the teachers, it will take a lot of time, more than half an hour to 1 hour it will take to make a question paper. Sometimes it will take more hours. So it is a very complex process, and you need to have a different kind of subject knowledge to make it very proper question paper. So here you can find out the question paper is already generated, and here you have the basic information like class, subject, topic, and you have periodic test, with that the date also, and time, and maximum marks. And you can find the standard format, that is general instruction you will get, that you know every school expects this to be done in the board exams. And this is the basic things where every question paper should have, that is you have the multiple choice question paper as we have ticked those things. And these are all subject specific, you will get all the different chapters and everything in this. All are CBSE aligned syllabus properly, it will come with all the proper topics. And here you find the case based questions also, and with that you will get answer key also. So this is an added advantage, you will get answer key also. And with that you will have three different things: download in PDF, download as documents, or copy to clipboard. So you can download it, just you have to copy and paste it in the Word format. And once it is done, the downloading, you can download it in your laptop or in your mobile, wherever you want. And this is how you can use this website. And if you come back, you will find all these tools once again, like you can generate worksheet, PPTs, notes, everything in this. So this is included in the pro plan, so make sure that it's like, if you want everything, you can go ahead with pro plan. And this is the complete website, you can explore, and you can join with the community. They have a WhatsApp group also, you can join for that also. So I must say this website is very useful, and you should be taking the advantage of this website, because they have so many tools. And being teacher, I am very proud that I am using this website. And if you are very serious about your job, make sure that you are using this website very seriously, and you are purchasing these things, and you are making that your class is efficient with all the resources. Thank you.